Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to customize a Big Cartel theme and make your store look exactly the way you want. First, log into your Big Cartel account and go to your dashboard. Once you're there, click on Shop Settings, and then you will see Design from the menu. Click it. This section allows you to manage your store's appearance and theme settings. Next, find your current theme and click Customize Theme. You'll now see various options for editing your store's design. Depending on the theme you're using, you can change colors, fonts, layouts, and other visual elements. You can also upload your logo, update banner images, and customize your homepage to better match your brand. As you make changes, use the preview area to see how your store will look to visitors. Take a few moments to review your design and make sure everything looks professional and consistent. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save to apply them to your store. And that's it! You've successfully customized your Big Cartel theme. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Big Cartel tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.